friends, welcome back. Today I am going to show you what I made with this Fevicryl Mouldit. This is my first time I used it. So I made this one. To make this, first I molded it into this design and let it got dry. After that I colored it with acrylic color as I wanted, because acrylic color is a fast color. You know friends, this is my old pencil stand which I made from foil tube. It looks simple and not attractive.
Not beautiful.
So I wanted to make it better and beautiful. So I transformed it into this new one. Look friends, how beautiful it is looking now. And I'm happy with it because it is my first time. I can use it to hold all my brushes, markers, pencils and as a decoration. So in this video, I transformed my old pencil stand into this new one using Fevicryl Mouldit. In the next video, I will make different designs and show you how I made it. So till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.